To fix the problem where you cannot connect your JBL Tune Flex 2 with your smartphone, first let's open the case and remove both of the earbuds while keeping a focus on the left one. Then we can let go of the case and now pick up the left earbud. All you have to do is press 3 times right here, and then keep your finger after a third tap for around 5 seconds, and your earbuds will return to factory settings and potentially fix any issues with connection. So let me demonstrate that. 1, 2, 3. You will hear power off. Now you need to open the case, input both of the earbuds inside, close the case, open it, and then again remove them. Now the problem should be gone and you'll be able to connect them with your smartphone.